Hello guys, namaste. Namaste everybody. My name is Chef Anirudh. कैसे हैं आप सब? Welcome to my kitchen and thank you for joining in. .S7. So guys, I was thinking in the morning to what to make for dinner today. आज शाम को क्या खाना है? I was thinking and I thought that कि आज let's try and make a little more a kind of a recipe which is whatever is left in my fridge and which has an Asian inspiration, right? And when I thought of making an Asian inspired curry, and I checked my fridge, whatever it is there in my fridge, and a lot of things that come in, and I would like to tell you guys that it's everything what I'm using here as a recipe. Everything is very very easily available, and we can easily make those things at home. So I will just wait for a couple of more minutes as people are joining in. More and more people are hello, namaste everyone. I was just mentioning about what was my inspiration in the morning. That I was thinking of what's for the dinner tonight, and I thought to make an interesting Asian, which is a little spicy, thoda chatpata sa curry, and with a little twist because these days a lot of ingredients which we usually would like in these kind of curries are not available with us. But then I thought whatever is there with me, I will use that and try and make a fantastic curry. So let me show you what I have now within my kitchen and what I'm trying to make today. So the inspiration is that I'm trying to make something close to a laksa or a curry, which would be a little spiced, and I'll use coconut as a base of the curry because it's an Asian inspiration, and it has a flavor of lemongrass, बहुत ही subtle and a very very good flavor of lemongrass and lime leaves, kaffir lime leaves are my personal favorite. This recipe also goes into different phases. First I will try and make the paste, which will have a lot of refreshing flavors, and then I'll finish that paste with some fresh coconut and a dash of fresh cream. So I'll show you one by one what ingredient that goes in the recipe. Please just watch out for that. So what I've done is coriander leaves. So धनिया पत्ता बहुत normally आजकल रहता है, and it's in season, and you can get great fresh coriander leaves. So I've just taken leaves with the stalks because I don't want to throw the stalks, as these stalks can also give great flavor to the curry, right, or the paste what I'm trying to make. Then I thought since there's a lot of basil available in my backyard, so I thought to use a lot of basil, and everybody knows that that's my personal favorite herb when it comes because it has great flavor. So I've used a lot of basil leaves, and I will use this. इसको मैं दो स्टेप में यूज़ करूँगा. First I will use that in the paste also, and then make a paste out of it, and secondly I will throw them in the curry when I try to simmer the curry with the veggies. And then I've used some green chilies, taken 2 green chilies, but if you want to have a more spicy curry, आप और ज़्यादा मिर्ची डालना चाहे आप मिर्ची डाल सकते हैं उसके अंदर. Then I used 2 ingredients which is kind of a dry masalas. I used cumin, you can see I've used cumin, which is a jeera. I would like to flavor this curry with some cumin because it is again quite summery, and I want to have the punch in the curry and a little more sharpness. So I've used some black peppercorns. Alright, so these black peppercorns also I'm gonna use that in the curry. And then the third thing is the basic, the best ingredients that I personally like, lemongrass. So I will use lemongrass, and I will just roughly crush the lemongrass. So I've got right top to the bottom of the lemongrass. Each and every part is important. And then some fresh ginger. Usually people use galangal. Galangal is a Thai ginger which is also very refreshing, very very good flavor of galangal is there. What I'm trying to use is normal ginger because I don't have a Thai ginger with me. And I'm gonna use some garlic cloves. Personally like the garlic cloves, great for all seasons, be it summers, be it winters, good immunity, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता है ये. Then that's a hidden ingredient, my personal favorite, fresh haldi. हल्दी के benefits आप जानते हैं. हल्दी is it's anti-inflammatory, it is good for, it's antibiotic, it's antiseptic, all that stuff. But it is very very good to have in a changing seasons. You can also have this summer में भी खा सकते हैं, winters में भी खा सकते हैं. So I'm trying to use fresh haldi. You can see that, and I love the color of this particular thing. All right, then there's some more ingredients I want to show you. I had some chili paste that I made in the morning, so I used some fresh chili paste. Just roasted a little bit the red chili dry, and then puree with some oil and some just some oil. This is the red chili paste I'm gonna use basically to add color and to give that punch to the curry. Some fresh spring onions. I just chopped some spring onions, very seasonal. I love the spiciness or the punchiness of the spring onions. It's very nice and refreshing. Some oil, some salt, some pepper, and some sugar. I've taken sugar because I want to balance that the spiciness if it's more with some sugar. आप चाहें तो उसमें जैगरी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, आप चाहें आप उसके अंदर पाम शुगर यूज़ कर सकते हैं उसको बैलेंस करने के लिए, बिकॉज थोड़ा स्पाइसीनेस रहता है उसके अंदर, जिसके अंदर आप थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट और थोड़ा सा शुगर विच इज़ जैगरी और नॉर्मल शुगर से बैलेंस कर सकते हैं. देन आई गॉट द बेस जो मैंने पहले बताया था आपको. द बेस इज़ कोकोनट मिल्क. सब जस्ट टेकन दैट कोकोनट मिल्क जो पाउडर कोकोनट मिल्क होता है, और यू कैन यूज़ कोकोनट मिल्क विच इज़ इन अ कैन ऑल्सो. आई हैव जस्ट यूज दैट पाउडर कोकोनट मिल्क एंड जस्ट whisk with some water. Maggi coco lacto is the best and gives a good binding. It is very rich as well. So I'm making a curry which I will show how to make it, and it's an Asian inspired curry जिसके अंदर हमने बहुत सारे fresh herbs का यूज़ किया है. बेसिल का यूज़ किया है, कोरिएंडर का यूज़ किया है, लेमन ग्रास का यूज़ किया है, फ्रेश टर्मरिक यूज़ करेंगे हम बाद में, जो कि बहुत ही सेहत के लिए अच्छा रहता है. It's not a Thai curry, guys, because Thai curry has a very complex ingredients which at times it's not possible to get into your house. So it's my take on an Asian inspired curry. So it doesn't have a shrimp paste, it doesn't have a fish sauce. इसके अंदर कोई भी नॉन वेज आइटम नहीं है, इसके अंदर सभी की सभी आइटम वेज हैं, तो इट्स अ वेज करी guys. And I have finally whatever vegetables आपके घर में अवेलेबल है आप उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So मेरे पास थोड़ा बीन्स था, French beans, which I've used. I've cut it into small cubes and you can use that. You can use cauliflower, you can use broccoli, carrots. I had carrots in my house also, but quite hard, so I didn't want to use that. Then I had some zucchini dices with me, which is very seasonal. Again, you can use any courgette family. If you want to use pumpkin into it, you can add pumpkin. I personally like bell peppers a lot. मुझे बहुत पसंद है capsicum, and the crunch of the capsicum, the flavor, the spiciness is amazing. So I use red capsicum. It has different benefits. We all know it is good for immunity. It has good in potassium, magnesium, all those rich ingredients. Then we have yellow capsicum, and finally we have green capsicum, Shimla mirch. So all this will go in my curry once I'm gonna make it. So it's quite colorful. You can see the whole plate looks so colorful. So now we will start, and we will start with the recipe now. So the first part of the recipe is that we're just gonna roast all the herbs together, and then we'll start to cook. So guys, I will try to manage the camera at least in a way that you can see that the pan. You have to bear with me. Okay, yeah. So I've taken a pan, just switch my induction on. Add a little bit of oil. So जो लोग ने बाद में ज्वाइन किया, I've taken 2 spices also. I've taken मैंने उसके अंदर यूज़ किया है थोड़ा सा जीरा और थोड़ा सा black pepper. Jeera to give it aromatic and flavor, or black pepper to give that punch to the curry. Apart from the fresh herbs, these 2 spices I've used, which is kind of a dry ingredient. And then I've also used chili paste for the people who have just joined in. Guys, hope I'm audible and I'm clear. So guys, I'm making the curry now. So I will again tell you the ingredients slowly once we start the curry. The oil is heated up now. The first thing is we will take the dry spices, which I've told you. I've used cumin, which is jeera. We'll throw some jeera in it, and we'll have a lot of black pepper into it, and we'll dry roast these spices. We're going to just just roast a little bit so that it crackles. So now we can see it's crackling a little bit. You need to do that on a very very slow fire. I'm just cutting this ginger just roughly because afterwards I have to anyways usko I have to just blend it in the mixie. Guys, am I audible to everybody? थोड़ा ginger डाल देंगे, just saute it a little bit. Just saute the ginger. And we have a garlic cloves. I'm using garlic cloves, guys. Just need to kind of break them up. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि उसको chop करें because in any ways we need to puree everything together. So just pounded this garlic, put it in the same pan, wait it for a nice saute. It's smelling amazing right now. Hi guys, the people who just joined in. So inspiration is सुबह सोच रहा था बनाना क्या dinner के लिए, and I wanted to just go a little slow on Indian food, and I was thinking what is available घर में क्या क्या है, and how refreshing I can make this dinner hot. So I thought of making a curry. It's not a Thai curry because I want to do a justice to Thai curry by using exact authentic ingredients, but जो available था इस टाइम पे घर पे वही यूज़ कर सकते थे. This is just the inspiration of a curry. Lightly saute. Finally, lemongrass, my favorite ingredient. Very very refreshing. If you have lemon leaves which we can use kaffir lime, you can use that also, but right now I don't have that kaffir lime. I had lemongrass which was lying in my fridge for long. I had actually wrapped that up in a paper with some water so that it's preserved all the freshness. Here goes the lemongrass inside, and also I'm gonna use the top part of the lemongrass also. Don't want to waste anything. Amazing, the whole aroma is fantastic. Whatever is left on the cutting board I'm going to throw inside. So now it's smelling a lot of ginger, it's smelling a lot of garlic, and it's smelling a lot of it's smelling a lot of lemongrass inside. You can see. So quickly now we have a lot of coriander, fresh coriander, and you can see I'm using all the part of the coriander. Just break that up with the stalks. इसके डंडल भी हम यूज़ करेंगे. Will not throw anything. Just wash it nicely so that there is no dirt and the dust inside. Green chili, as much as you want to use, you can use that. I will throw one green chili inside. With a nice saute. My favorite ingredient, lots of basil inside. So just imagine इसके अंदर क्या क्या है. इसके अंदर garlic है, ginger, chilies, coriander, cumin, black pepper and lemongrass. Whole lot of fresh, refreshing flavors, summery flavors. Saute it nicely. Gonna throw some more basil inside. Some more of it. Yeah. Now let it sweat a little bit. इन herbs को थोड़ा पकाने का हमको, थोड़ा कुक करने का इनको, so that सारा aroma इनका रहे अंदर ही. And then finally I have the red chili paste. These red chili paste, it's just red chilies which is dry roasted, and I've just taken some oil to puree it, and here goes the red chili inside. There goes the red chilies inside. Okay. You can add some salt and let it cook a little bit. It's smelling of so much of spice right now. I'm gonna close it, otherwise it's gonna. So I'm just adding the water and closing it. Simmer it to the lowest possible. Let it cook. It will take a little while so that all that things goes inside, get the flavors in. It's almost done. You can have this, the spice and the flavors. So guys, any questions till now you can ask me, because it will take a little while to cook here. And I'm gonna stir it again, put in the blender and just blend it. So I'll just take this off this mixture now. It's cooked nicely. It's a little more pungent and spice in it. And I'm gonna just blend it now so that we can finish with some fresh coconut milk and also some cream. So guys, this is done. Before that, I'm gonna show you how this mixture looks like. See. So I will put on a spoon here. So this is the mixture that I'm saying. This has the herbs inside. This has the chilies, lemongrass, salt, and so guys, you just need to simmer it for about I think 5 minutes, because it is just cooking these herbs, and these herbs are very, very delicate and soft. Just put this in the blender. Okay, I'm gonna blend it now, and once I'm gonna blend it, I'm gonna add a little more water inside. Okay, and then just cover it up and then blend it. You have to bear with me for 2 minutes till the time I'm back with the blend. I'm back. It's very hot right now. So guys, again we've done what we have done till now is made this paste. और paste कैसे बनाया हमने? So initially we just took some cumin, थोड़ा जीरा और थोड़ा black pepper को हल्का सा सौटे करके पकाया. We added a lot of herbs to it. Basil उसमें use किया हमने, basil leaves, fresh basil leaves, fresh coriander leaves. I've used a lot of red chili paste inside and green chilies. That's the reason I'm coughing, because it's a lot of spice now. I put ginger and cloves, ginger and garlic, put it all together and just made a very, very nice aromatic paste or mix. And I'm going to show you the mix now. And the final part is to finish this now. See this one? That's the paste I made right now. That's the paste. It's not very fine. Intentionally, I didn't want it to be fine. I want it to be a little more coarser. So, and then I'm gonna finish this with coconut now. Alright? It is a lot of spice and a kick in it, as you can say. So then now we will finish it with some coconut. Again, we'll switch on. We'll switch on the induction now. Making an Asian curry right now for my dinner, it's an inspiration. It's not a Thai curry. If people must have mistaken, it's not a Thai curry because Thai curry has very very specific ingredients. I only have things which I am having at my home right now. So making my dinner right now. Oil, just a dash. Let it heat a little bit. There goes a paste. Put in this very very slow fire. I'm gonna burn it again. All the paste goes in here. बिलीव मी बहुत ही अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है इसके अंदर लेमन की, बहुत ही अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है इसके अंदर ब्लैक पेपर की एंड गार्लिक एंड जिंजर की. It is really aromatic. You can see how good it looks. Now I will put this magic ingredient, my favorite, fresh haldi into it. और हल्दी के benefit हम सब जानते ही हैं. It is very very good to have haldi in this season. It is anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, whatever you can say, and I personally love haldi. So I'm just gonna, you can, आप चाहें तो इसको ग्रेट कर सकते हैं, आप चाहे तो इसको थोड़ा सा चॉप करके अंदर डाल सकते हैं. मुझे हल्दी का क्रंच अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए आई एम जस्ट चॉपिंग इट अ लिटिल बिट एंड पुटिंग इट इनसाइड. Every bit is important. Again, just cook a little bit. Yeah. अभी जब हल्दी अपना कलर छोड़ेगा तो द कलर ऑफ द करी, द कलर ऑफ दिस पेस्ट विल बी ऑल द मोर अमेजिंग. इट लुक्स वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग राइट नाउ ऑल्सो, बट वंस इट गोज द कलर ऑफ द हल्दी गेट्स kind of mixed in here, and now it's smelling more of cumin as well now. Wow. Now it's time, we'll slow the flame a little bit and add the coconut inside. Just stir it a little bit. Here goes the fresh coconut milk inside. Let me cook this first. I can smell the basil now, the lime, and the color of the curry is very very nice because of the haldi. So I just need to simmer it, cook it slowly because it's coconut milk. We need to handle this is very 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 carefully. Wait for this to get a little boil. And then we'll balance the flavor with some sugar and some salt. We'll balance it, we'll taste it, and we'll balance the flavor of it. Some more curry. I will not waste this curry. So guys, this is a vegetarian curry I'm making. You can, if somebody wants to make it a little non-vegetarian version of that, you can always use some shrimp paste usually, and a fish sauce which goes very well with it. Shrimp paste and fish sauce is easily available in the market. You can get that. आप चाहते हो उसका कैन यूज़ कर सकते हैं. If you want to use lemon juice, you can use lemon juice if you don't have a lemongrass, but then you have to, then the flavor will not be that great. Or rather, if you don't have a lemongrass, try getting lemon leaves, because the flavor of the curry will not come from lemon juice. Yes, lemon juice could be added, but at the end of the curry, you don't add lemon juice right away. But I think the curry needs that punch of lemongrass more, because that's the main ingredient to give it that refreshing lemony flavor. I'll add some more coconut. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज़ रेड चिलीज़. अगर आप चाहें इसके अंदर, मैंने ग्रीन चिली यूज़ किया, आप रेड चिली यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड कोरिएंडर इज़ वेरी वेरी इजी टू गेट. बेसिल इज़ वेरी वेरी इजी टू गेट. सो those two things, basil or lemongrass, are two things which give it a really really fresh flavor. Though I also feel that if you add mint to it, it also could come out really nice. We can try using milk. So it depends how much thick they want the curry to be. Accordingly you will manage the proportion of the coconut milk, and also how much dilute you do the coconut milk. आप उस coconut milk powder के अंदर आप कितना पानी डालते हैं उसको mix करने के लिए, it also depends. So what I've used one packet of Cocolacto, which is the coconut milk, and I've used about 300 ml of water into it. But अगर आप उसके अंदर can use कर रहे हैं coconut cream का, you have to use less because it gets the body of the curry very very fast. Yes, we can add fresh coconut, absolutely. See, fresh coconut, there is no way. It's the best thing you can do. You can do a fresh coconut cream at home or a fresh coconut milk at home. We can add lime zest instead of lemongrass, but lime zest will make it a little bitter, because Indian lime, the zest becomes a little bitter. So guys, this is boiling right now, so I'm gonna throw in some fresh cream to it. Gonna throw fresh cream to it. You can see it looks so creamy and nice. Let me balance this with the seasoning right away. So it needs salt. I'm gonna add salt to it. It needs some sugar to it. I'm gonna add some sugar. Mix it again. This is done now, and slowly I will add one by one all the veggies that we have done. All the veggies I'm gonna put to it now. All this goes inside. Yeah. Again a boil. Give a nice boil to the whole thing. I hope you like the recipe. You know, it's difficult to tell you, but it's coming out really well because I just tasted it. Only thing was missing was some salt and sugar, which I just added. I think it's a perfect mix of the spice and some herbs to it. अगर आप चाहें तो इसको राइस के साथ खा सकते हैं, जैस्मिन राइस, बॉइल्ड राइस, और if you want you can toss up some Hakka noodles or some noodles to it. And also if you wish to add, you can just blanch some noodles, cook some noodles, and just take a soup bowl, add this soup into it or a curry into it, और थोड़ा सा blanch noodles में डाल सकते हैं. Finally I'm gonna add some basil leaves to it. So I'm just throwing some basil leaves to it because I like the flavor will be very, very nice once it gets a little boiled. You know, it's difficult to show you guys, but it's come out nice. I wanna show you. See, the curry is coming out nice. We'll just simmer it a little bit, get nice boil in, and then we're good to go. Yes, it's a very, very easy recipe, and anything which is available at home we can use in it. Haldi, pepper, jeera, salt, this is basic seasonings to it. Ginger and garlic we have used, basic things to it. Basil and coriander, very easy. Only thing is lemongrass, but yes, lemongrass is an important part of it, and we need to have that lemongrass because otherwise the punch of the lime will not come. So it's ready now. I will just put that in a bowl and I'll show you guys. The whole the color the color of the haldi is coming out really nice, and it's I personally love that very spice very, very much. So I've got a bowl now, and that's gonna be the bowl for me for dinner, and it's already 7:30. I'm gonna have that with either some noodles dipped into it, or have some rice which I will boil. So guys, it's nice and it's mixed quite nicely. And it's, as you must have seen, it's not a Thai curry. It's a little different than a Thai curry because I personally don't have the ingredients for a Thai curry. Otherwise, I would have loved to make a Thai curry. But it has actually, if you see, it has richness, or it has the qualities of all that fresh herbs, turmeric, pepper, and chilies, which is as good as or maybe better than a Thai curry. So guys, I hope I was audible to everyone, and I great justice to the curry. You know, I will show you guys then once it's done, and how amazing it looks, and how beautifully the color of the curry has come in now. And you know, you can see that. I'm gonna show you the curry. That's the curry. You can see how rich it looks, how colorful it looks, and how balanced this looks. That the texture, and I think the consistency has come out really nice with that, because it's neither too thick, neither too thin, and you know, it's a perfect kind of a curry. So guys, so that's for my dinner, and you know, I believe that it was a good recipe, and you guys loved it. I will try and do more of that stuff, whatever is possible, and I'll keep on letting you guys know, and you can probably try that at your home. It was always a pleasure to connect to people and show what you can do at your home, and what is a possible balance of flavors that you can do. And because what happens is, during these times, it's the best learning for me as well, because even I have not tried this. I've never tried a haldi in my curry except Indian curries. So आज जो मैंने ट्राई किया, मैंने पहले भी कभी ट्राई नहीं किया था. So it's just that you think that you have something, you have chilies with you, you have some basil, you have ingredients, and I've never thought of using a black pepper and a jeera in a curry, but actually this come out really nice. And with if you crunch a little beans with it, which I'm trying to do right away, it is amazing. But once you balance it, I would recommend add sugar to it. It is very, very important to add sugar, and then balance the salt and the spice to it. And yeah, that's it. So guys, thank you so much, and I will come back to you with another recipe quite soon. And then thank you, and stay well, and stay at home, and let's fight this coronavirus together. Thank you so much.